Hello, ladies and gents. How are you all doing today? I want to believe you are doing just fine, living your best life. My wish for anyone out there is for them to live their best lives, be happy while living their best lives, and at the same time, make money while living their best life. Today, I want us to look at taking advantage of the Bitcoin volatile market or the volatile crypto market to make passive income every day or most at time. Well, when you talk about passive income, it means that you have to make it every day. But at times you don't have to make it every day. You can make it every month. The idea is you are able to make money while you sleep or while you just do one of those stuff going on in the market. So today we're gonna go through all this good stuff and look at what is going on with Bitcoin, look at what is going on with other altcoins. You know, if say you are new here, you are watching the Betong's crypto. Yeah, I create content to help anyone out there make profits in this brutal crypto industry. And if say you're gonna enjoy the show by the end of it, then do smash the subscribe button. Those of you who are always here with me, you are always welcome. Welcome, welcome, to this platform. I'm your guy, the Betong. Okay, what else should I say? You know, I know most of us right now are just looking at the market, being skeptical of maybe everything is just down, the ETF have destroyed everything. When is the pump gonna happen? But guys, there's some coin pumping, like Yasmin was pumping, CSPI was pumping. There's some coins that are pumping, like now it's more of the individual communities. So we're gonna go through all this today, but let's look at the what Bitcoin is doing, and then we're gonna look at liquidation heat map. We're also gonna look at book map and some other stuff that will help you to see where the buyers and sellers are in the market. Okay, let's get this rolling. Let's get this rolling. It's baking. Okay, boys. Boys? Did I say boys? Oh, I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Now, this is a liquidation heat map. Let me go to two. Well, I have to look at this at this level. Yeah, this is it. Now, looking at this chart, on the next 3 days, we're gonna look at Bitcoin go around $50,533. The next 3 days, this is what I can see. But if we look at the next 24 hours, let's see what we should expect to happen with Bitcoin the next 24 hours. Now there are two scenarios, but the most likely one is the one I mentioned here. I think when the market opens, Bitcoin is not come here to claim this liquidity at around 50,500. This area here. This I'm gonna look at this on the book map as well, but this is gonna happen anyways. I think that will happen, and then they might make an attempt to go to the upside. Let's look at the 12 hours time frame to see if say they can do this on the 12-hour time frame. Oh, guys, it's not as if it's setting, but price can either go both direction. Right, you can either take it off first, and then bring it down. You can see here we have about. I think they're gonna take the price also to 51,600. So they're gonna be moving price in between this range. I'm gonna show you guys more about this on the Bitcoin chart, but I want you to see that this we have been moving in this area, yeah, this zone here for a long time now. And Bitcoin, to an extent, I think that, like, if we look at the higher time frame, like let's go to the chart of Bitcoin right now, and you look at the higher time frame, you're gonna see something really good, yeah. Even though Bitcoin is it seems as if it's going down, but look at these levels, right? You can see that Bitcoin is holding these levels. Even though we have this liquidity here to be grabbed, there's this vector candle here around 45,000, $46,000. But looking at the structure, I think we are still bullish. The Trendillo is resetting. I think it's gonna reset to the middle before maybe we can see another spike to the upside. And if see the tornado recovers completely and reset to the over sold area, then maybe we're gonna expect this move to happen quickly. But for this to happen, we have to see these indicators come really closer, particularly this 50-day moving average. It has to come closer, to this. I think towards the alpha trend. Price is still above the alpha trend. Price is still above the 13-day moving average on the daily time frame. So we are still bullish. Don't don't feel as if we are not bullish. Now, if we look at the 1 hour time frame, that's where we're gonna see some noise in the market. Let's look at this. Let me zoom this a little bit so you can just see, you can just tell by looking at this that the noise here is is crazy. So let's look at this on Bybit. Okay, I think that's OKX. Yeah. So now looking at the 1 hour time frame, guys, I think that we might see some sort of movement, yeah, because the like short term, the trendillo actually is at the oversold area. So let's say we can have a little bit movement to the upside to about like what I mentioned. Price can go and grab that liquidity at 51,500. And this is gonna be a good move towards this zone here, this area here, and this is exactly where the alpha trend is. So, guys, it's not rocket science, but we can only predict and we prepare ourselves, when it happens. Now, talking about how we're gonna make passive income every day. I'm gonna like stress this or explain this more better, when we like towards the end of today's video, because I want us to really get the substance of what I'm saying right now with regard to Bitcoin, and also with regard to how I go about making these profits. You have to follow the thought process, like how, like the analysis, what you need to do to make it happen. Not just that you just like go and buy a particular coin, but why are you buying it, and when are you buying it? When are you getting out from the coin? So, like, I want us to go through the process, right, of all this. Now, looking at this structure, now I will say that going to the 15 minutes time frame, we can as well say that Bitcoin looks really bearish on the 15 minutes time frame, because price is favoring the downside. Price is all the moving averages are above price, so price is below these moving averages. So if I'm looking at an opportunity now for a long term, like a movement to the upside, it will be short term movement. I wouldn't be looking at a way, like to go long and hold my long. I'm gonna be targeting like scalping on the 5 minute time frame, and then buying, like selling when the price get there until price break and trade above this the better moving average on the lower time frame before I can confirm that price is gonna reverse. Now you can see that the better moving average price has been moving below this moving average. The better moving average, you can see when each time price goes there, there's a bounce down. Now price went there. There was a bounce down, but price didn't make the high and lower lows. You can see when price left this area, it bounced back and make lower lows, right? But price is not making lower lows yet. So maybe we are preparing to move to the upside for Bitcoin, right? The price of Bitcoin. Now, I can see that there are some red vector candles here, which means that the only thing Bitcoin can do is go and grab all these vector candles, and this is going to be closer to this moving average and closer to the daily open, which is here. So if Bitcoin is able to break above the daily open and stay above the daily open when the US market opens, then we might say that we're going to favor more or like up price for Bitcoin. But now, if we look now on the 15 minutes time frame, the moment you're gonna confirm that Bitcoin is gonna be like trading above the daily time frame is when Bitcoin move up and stay above this 50-day moving average, and let this 50-day moving average go above the daily time frame, like a daily open. Now we are looking at this market now. Asia started, price deep towards US. We saw this price like movement to the upside, right? And price dip again back towards. I think that was still guys. I'm looking at this on the 5 minutes time frame. When US before US open or doing that was yesterday. Before doing UK, they pushed the price, and towards the end of US session, they bring the price downward, and you can see that US session was trying to break the high of Asia and UK, and it didn't succeed. So they brought price back down, and now they've even brought it right down. Making these three levels drop 1, 2, 3. So we should expect a pullback, to the upside, and I think that is possible if, say, we look at the higher time frame, like let's just go to the daily time frame. You can see that price is moving in this range, and knowing that price is moving in this range is important because you can already see that, okay, maybe if they take price back up, they're gonna target maybe to $52,000, or maybe $53,000, if in that in like on if say they have to take it more upward. But I wouldn't favor any like drastic upside move until this indicator is resetted to the downside, and it put in this shadow here, this green oversold area. If it doesn't print it, then I'm not gonna confirm any movement with Bitcoin or other altcoins. So it's important you see this and how you can apply this in your trade. Now let's look at this, the book map. The book map actually, like you can see all this stuff here I have on the book map is very important to me because it gives me the different areas in the market where the orders are. I can see them in real time, can see where the arcs and the beats, and I can see also um how uh, how much bits is in the market, how much axe is in the market. I can see all this stuff. I can also see the volume of the beats. If say it is we have more buy orders, then it's gonna show green here. Then I'm gonna favor more buy, and if say we're gonna favor more sell, we're gonna see a red here. So now we are favoring more sell, but still you can see all these orders here sitting around this zone here, 50,900. There are a lot of orders here that I think the market maker can go and grab liquidity from it. And if we look at this, I can really see that um price is gonna surely move above the VWAP. The VWAP is just a white line in the middle like this. So if price moves above the VWAP, then I can really say that maybe we are good to go. Like we can start looking for higher prices. But we will have to look at the market when the US open is when the US market is open, and we see what price does. And how you're gonna trade this, guys, is by going to place like this is like this. You go to bring in let's bring in this crypto bubbles. You go to crypto bubbles, you go to the top 100 coins, look for the coins that are within your exchange. Like you can look at the top 200 coins. you know you look at the ones that, like, usually I stay with the top 100 coins if, say, I want to make like quick passive income like daily, right? Because like I look at what Bitcoin is doing. If Bitcoin is gonna dump, right, I study coins that move alongside Bitcoin, like Audi, like stacks, ICP. We also have Solana. When Bitcoin is taking a little bit of a dump, Solana also is dumping somehow. And when Bitcoin is pumping, Solana also is pumping. So I look at all these coins, and I look at like what areas they are in terms of market structure. Are they favoring more downside or more upside? And if they're favoring more upside or downside, when it's going to be the reversal? And when Bitcoin reverse, then I can go instantly. I buy the these coins, knowing that they are also going to recover somehow from that. So I can make quick profit from there, during that session, maybe say 1 2 hours, and I sell. It could be $10, it could be $20, it could be $30, it could be $50. It just depends on how the market is gonna move day. And when I see that the market is showing like it's not showing any momentum, there's not awesome momentum in the market, then I'm gonna get out from it as early as possible before the dump. Then I'm gonna buy back again. And like in this case, like when we go to Bitcoin, you can see that if you look at the higher time frame for Bitcoin, if you are someone who is, let me say, smart, you understand trading, you'd have been trading the hell out of this whole stuff. You can see up, down. If you pull the volume profile here, you will understand what I'm saying. You can see up, down, take it up just to bring it down until price is able to break this range, and close. Only the wicks are breaking, price will break, but you're gonna come back. We wanna see price break and hold above on the higher time frame before maybe we can really, really confirm that we are good to go. So when you buy this guy, when you see price happening like this, you're gonna go turn that to those altcoins and you accumulate those altcoins. And when the altcoins pump, like usually when Bitcoin is gonna pump like 1%, this altcoin can give you 5% profit, and you can compound this every day. And doing this every day, it can lead to a full-time job for you that you make some profit, at least something. Guys, I'm gonna be doing like expanding my show to um create some meme coins on the Solana blockchain. Right now I'm studying, I'm like doing some research on how to do that securely. So we're gonna be having some sessions here that we create these coins on the Solana blockchain or ecosystem, right? So you can see overall, guys, that's it for today. You can apply this knowledge in any, like, anytime, anywhere, like wherever you find yourself. When you see Bitcoin doing this, you can do just that, and it's gonna make you profit, passive income. Okay, this is the end of today's show. I wanna believe it was somehow helpful to you. I want to keep doing more of such shows. I want to make sure you get it. You understand how to make money with cryptocurrencies. There's so many ways. This is just one of the ways you can make passive income. There are other ways you can make passive income through staking, but I don't recommend staking, or lending if say you don't have enough money. If you don't have enough money and you don't know how to trade, let's say leverage, stick with me on spot trading. I do leverage, but I don't do it like consistent. Most of my trading is spot. I look for coins that really move with Bitcoin. Like if Bitcoin is moving 10%, they can move about 80% and giving me awesome profit depending on my capital as well. So it should depend on your capital. But again, you can do leverage, but maybe not that crazy leverage. I do leverage, but not that crazy leverage. So if this content was helpful to you and you really want me to keep doing this, then you have to subscribe to my platform. And don't forget also, guys, I forgot to mention, go and follow me on Twitter. This is my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. I share stuff now and then on Twitter, and it's gonna be awesome if you see we connect on these platforms as well. I'm not able to see my Twitter here. Oh, this is okay. This is my Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. And yeah, so this is me, yeah, the Betong. Okay, I'm gonna leave you with that, and hopefully you enjoy the show. Usually, when I want to go, it's as if I shouldn't go. All right, guys, have a nice day. Bye.